To another primetime news follow-up now, the police have released more details regarding the murder of a Clarendon woman whose 2-year-old child was clinging to her lifeless body on Tuesday. According to the Clarendon police, the incident is as a result of a domestic dispute where families have been quarreling over land, cattle and goats. TVJ's Kalisha Williams reports.
A battle between families over at least 12 goats and a few cows. An incident the police say led to the slaying of 2 women from one family. 32-year-old Natoya Ricketts was the latest victim. Ricketts' body was found with multiple gunshot wounds in Alley, Clarendon on Tuesday. Her 2-year-old daughter was seen unhurt, nestled under her mother's arms. At a meeting of the Clarendon Municipal Corporation on Thursday, acting head of the Clarendon Police, Superintendent David White, sought to address the issue.
We have seen a couple of those type of crime committed inside the parish of Clarendon, but this one was a real hard one to swallow.
In his address, Superintendent White broke down the series of events which he believed culminated into the murders.
So we have a grandmother who died naturally. She had quite a number of cows that were left to her by her husband. From there, her daughter started taking over when she died, and then the family started war over the properties.
The main suspect in the matter is said to be on the run. In the meantime, children's advocate Diane Gordon Harrison told TVJ News that the 2-year-old child who was placed in state care after her mother's death is now in the custody of a close relative.
The Office of the Children's Advocate, as you know, has been, tracking this matter with very great interest and distress at the same time. And just yesterday afternoon, late afternoon in fact, we confirmed that the child is now no longer at the hospital where she had been taken after she had been found, but has been reunited with family.
But she maintains that the Office of the Children's Advocate will continue monitoring the situation.
Because there will come a time when the news will have to be put down in a way that the child understands what happened to her mother. And really, when you find any child at all, whether this one or anyone else who is faced with such a loss, there usually are behavioral issues and social issues.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.